Okay, let's start another recording now. So, hello and welcome. This video is about enabling people to make contributions to the awesome Wardley Maps list that's on GitHub. John and I talked about this and we ended up deciding, we decided to try the video format. I think these videos will be pretty short, and so let's try and see what happens. If you're watching, please let us know if this format is useful or if it's not so optimal. As for those who are making contributions, I group them in two buckets. Those who are already familiar with GitHub's workflow, that is copying or forking a repository, making changes and opening pull requests so that those changes will be incorporated into the original repository. For these ones, there's probably going to be other videos. Let's see. Then there are also those who don't know how to do that, don't want to sign up into GitHub, but they'd also like to make contributions. So one way is to let us know on Twitter through the, or let John know, through the Twitter hashtag of Wardley Maps and Wardley Mapping. And I think I've got one open here. Yeah, these are usually the hashtags that I look at. There's one Wardley Mapping, and there should be a one for Wardley Maps here. So if you use TweetDeck, then it's a lot easier to take a look. And then, of course, the other way is to just ping John on Twitter and let him know what you'd like to have. Like this one from Mark, is this on the list? And then what we end up doing is we end up incorporating that into the awesome Wardley Maps list. Yeah. So I'll show you later how it all works. Another way to make suggestions, contributions, whatever, is through the MapCamp Slack channel. I mean, there's a lot here. There are some videos, there are some comments and discussions going on. So that's also another way to let us know the things you'd like to see included in the awesome Wardley Maps. Then what else? Right. Another way is to actually go into GitHub and to go to the project itself, some Wardley Maps issues, and go on to the issues. And this is where the discussion, some of the discussions start from here. So we have an issue, a suggestion to please make a quick start or add the doctrine grid tool, and that's one way you can do it. The problem is, in order to create an issue, you need to have a GitHub account. So I already have mine. I'll just sign in again. Yeah, that was just to show you that you need an account to open these issues. And then it's usually a simple idea. Give it a title, and then you can add here a bunch of comments that you'd like to see in there. So if we look at one of these, doctrine grid tool, for example. So I open that, and then I refer back to the Twitter status that triggered this issue. So we usually keep track of all the different channels, not only in Slack and Twitter, but also LinkedIn, or you can DM someone. It's always here. That's the simplest way I can think of doing this. The advantage of having everything in the issues is that we don't have to track the different channels. Everything is here. I can take a look, and or John can also take a look, or Chris, or whoever. And then, so for example, the quick start, and then people can add comments and you know. So everything is a lot easier in one place to track. So that was a quick overview. Again, to recap, this is for those who aren't familiar with GitHub's workflow of dealing with pull requests. But if you still want to contribute, let us know the other channels. And if you already have a GitHub account or it's not a big deal to create one, then please do so and make your suggestions and contributions within the GitHub issues. Well, we'll see you till next time. Bye-bye.